Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the green wallet indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator generates buy and sell signals for us in such a way that the red arrows indicate sell signals and the green arrows indicate buy signals. These signals are generated using a combination of moving average indicators which are adjusted based on the symbol we are trading.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
And also the time frame we are in, so there is no need to adjust them again. For this reason, this indicator does not have any input settings. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.